In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sound effects in DaVinci Resolve. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. If you're starting fresh, create a new project so you have a clean timeline ready. You can work on either the edit page or the Fairlight page. Both are great for audio, but Fairlight is purpose-built for sound, so we'll lean on that as we go. Let's bring in your sound effects. Open the media pool and import your audio files. This can be whooshes, clicks, ambience, anything you like. You can import via the menu, or simply drag audio from your computer straight into the media pool. Once the files are there, drag them onto the timeline, placing them on a new or existing audio track under your video. If you need a new track, just drop the clip below the existing tracks and Resolve will create one. A quick tip, zoom in around the cut or action you want to emphasize and line up the transient of the sound with the exact frame where the movement happens for the most impact. If you don't already have sounds, switch over to the Fairlight page and click the sound library icon in the top left. This opens a searchable library where you can type in terms like whoosh, door, or footsteps, audition sounds right in the panel, and then drag the one you like into the timeline. The first time you use this, you may be prompted to download and install the free sound library. Go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions, then return to the sound library panel to search and drop in what you need. You can also bypass the media pool entirely and drag audio straight from your computer folders into the media pool and then into the timeline. Resolve will reference the original files, so keeping your sounds in a well-labeled folder helps you stay organized. Now let's enhance those clips with effects. On the Edit or Fairlight page, open the Effects library and navigate to the Audio Effects. You'll find tools like EQ, Reverb, and Pitch Shifting. Drag an effect directly onto the specific audio clip you want to process. You'll see a small indicator on the clip showing the effect has been applied. To fine-tune, open the inspector. Here you can adjust parameters such as pitch, reverb amount, or EQ bands. Make subtle changes and play the clip in context with your video. Use the effects bypass switch in the inspector to compare before and after, and keep an eye on levels to avoid clipping. If a sound is too dominant, lower its clip gain or nudge it slightly earlier or later for better sync. That's it. Import, place, audition, and polish. With these steps, your sound effects will feel intentional, punchy, and perfectly timed.